Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement, not only yesterday, but then today continued. And yeah, volume wasn't as big as it was yesterday, but still, overall, the volume is staying above average. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's keep an eye and map out some levels of support and then resistance. So the first level of support going forward is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $6.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom of this former consolidation area, and that sits right there at about $5.90. So near term, $6.25, $5.90, those levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from more of a big picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 625 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because, in my opinion, top priority right now is by far just going through healthy consolidations and not building higher and not breaking through levels of resistance, because as long as you are building higher bases, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows, focus on healthy consolidations, and you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing and let the trend do its thing. So overall, nice move. Let's see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.